we'll discuss axilla today. So अगर हम ब्रीफ रिव्यू लें एक्सिलरी नर्व का, तो स्पाइनल नर्व रूट्स है इसकी C5 C6. सेंसरी फंक्शन है गिव्स राइज टू अपर लैटरल क्यूटेनियस नर्व ऑफ आर्म विच इनर्वेट्स द स्किन ओवर द लोअर हाफ ऑफ डेल्टॉइड. मोटर फंक्शंस में ये इनर्वेट करती है टीरीज माइनर और डेल्टॉइड मसल. दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ डेल्टॉइड मसल. यहाँ पर ये लैटरल क्यूटेनियस नर्व ऑफ आर्म देती है. हो जाता है सबस्कैपुलरिस मसल. So the boundaries or इसकी contents are the axillary nerve and posterior circumflex humeral muscles. This is the axillary nerve and posterior circumflex humeral artery. So let's just revise हमने जो कुछ पढ़ा है. Anterior group of axillary lymph nodes lie along the lower border of pec minor, lower margin of posterior wall, posteromedial to the axillary vein, in the fat of axilla, behind and above the pec minor, medial to the axillary vein. The answer would be lower border of the pec minor muscle. Lymphatics from the skin of the back above the iliac crest drain into pectoral group of the axillary lymph nodes, subscapular group of axillary lymph nodes, central group of axillary lymph nodes, apical group of axillary lymph nodes या parasternal nodes. The answer is subscapular group of axillary lymph nodes. A swelling along the lateral border of pec minor muscle will involve which lymph nodes? Anterior axillary, apical, central, infraclavicular या posterior axillary. The answer is anterior axillary. Thoracoacromial artery is a branch of subclavian artery, first part of axillary artery, second part of axillary artery, third part of axillary artery या फिर brachial artery. The answer is second part of the axillary artery. Lymphatics that accompany the cephalic vein drain into pectoral group of the axillary lymph nodes, subscapular group of axillary lymph nodes, central group of the axillary lymph nodes, apical group of axillary lymph nodes, lateral group of axillary lymph nodes. The answer is apical group of axillary lymph nodes. So, the illustration below shows a patient with a long-standing axillary nerve palsy. Which of the following muscle has undergone denervation atrophy? Coracobrachialis, teres minor, deltoid या फिर supraspinatus. ये कौन सा रीजन बनता है? This region is the region of deltoid muscle. Which vessel accompanies the axillary nerve as it passes through the quadrangular space? Thoracodorsal artery, circumflex scapular artery, posterior circumflex artery या फिर axillary artery. The answer is posterior circumflex artery. Last, a patient undergoes a shoulder arthroplasty. Post-op, the patient reports numbness in the distribution of axillary nerve. Which branch of the axillary nerve is most likely to have been affected? Anterior terminal branch, posterior terminal branch, articular branch या फिर muscular branch? The answer to this would be in the comments. आप लोग बताएंगे and then I'll give you the correct answer. Thank you.